Alright, we got another motor install today for you. So what's going on here is we have our main panel, sub panel that we just installed. We took out a time clock that was on here, and then they had some metal conduit running to where the pool pump is going to be put in. And the conduit and the junction boxes were with this non-weatherproof stuff. So we swapped it out to some PVC. Installed a new sub panel with GFCI protection. So what we've got going here are blue wires. This is our load side for the motor, our GFI coming off the breaker, tied back into the neutral bus of the main panel, and then our grounding on the ground bus here. And we're using the bonding screw so that the grounding bus is tied into the panel housing, and then we've got obviously our line side blue wires coming off of our breakers in the main panel here. So we are GFCI protected, we're grounded, we're bonded. Bonding wires obviously over here at the motor, and we're compliant. Now the one thing that we weren't able to do is make the main panel in this room compliant with NEC, so we're going to get with the property on contacting the electrician to get that taken care of, because we've got obviously some work that needs to be done there to bring it up to code, and unfortunately we can't take care of all that, but we can start where our scope of work begins and make sure that everything downstream is good to go. So all right, that's going to do it for this one.